Hello and welcome back to Barbecue Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, we've got a killer show lined up for you guys. We have a newcomer that's going to be on keyboards tonight. His name is Jake Bartroff. We also have Arthur Zaragoza coming back on the scene, playing some guitar for us, along with Ryan Cobb on bass, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. It's going to be killer. So tonight we're going to change things up a little bit for you guys. We actually have a guest cook here tonight from Pinegrove Deli, and his name is Nader Bajilia. Guy's incredible. We go over there all the time for lunch. He has this incredible dish that he cooks for us every time, and it's called a Wahesh. Wahesh. Check it out. Go to Pinegrove. Ask for the Wahesh. You're going to love it. You guys need to get involved with it. Anyway, without further ado, guys, let's get involved. Boom! Nader, what is going on, man? Welcome to Barbecue Jams. I am so excited to have you here. I am been looking forward to this all day. You're going to be cooking up this plate of Wahesh for us tonight.
Yes, sir.
And I have this for lunch every day, just about. I go over to Pinegrove and always looking forward to this meal. It is so good. Martine also.
It's awesome.
He's always wanting to get involved with that dish. So, can you give us a little rundown of what we're having tonight?
All right, we're having a Wahesh plate. It is a bed of tabouleh, some chopped chicken, some chopped steak.
Very nice, cool.
Real steak.
Yeah.
Chopped steak.
Okay.
Ground up steak. This is real
nice.
steak. Pieces of our end cuts from our meat counter.
Okay.
At our butcher shop.
Yeah, y'all have a nice butcher shop.
Yes,
there too.
So
yeah.
we take all of our steak parts from our end cuts and we mix that into our steak.
Ah.
It makes other sandwiches as well. And then we add onion, pepper, some of our in-house seasoning, some Nader sauce, and we cook it in a rice oil mixed with our homemade tallow.
Ah, very cool. Man, I am so looking forward to this, man. So, Nader, tell me a little bit about Pinegrove and how it came to be, and just give us the spiel on that.
Well, Pinegrove's been around for a long time, at least minimum 3 generations of families.
Wow, I knew your dad was involved in that too.
So we are the 3rd generation.
That's incredible. Yeah.
My father's been there since 1968 when he...
68?
Yep.
Wow, good for you guys.
Absolutely.
You're doing something right over there.
Yeah, just good food, man. Brings people back.
I know. And you guys do all sorts of other sandwiches.
Do a lot of stuff.
So I'm trying to think of some of those sandwiches you guys make that are really incredible. But what are those real staple sandwiches everybody comes in for?
Well, we have a huge menu. So
you do.
It's hard to mention.
I don't know all of them, but yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to mention one. But we do a really good steak in a sack.
Okay.
Which is a very popular sandwich.
Yeah.
It's a pita pocket with peppers, onions, cheese chopped up, sauteed on the grill.
Very cool.
And that's a real popular one. Our burgers, because we are butchers, so we grind our own.
They are excellent. Oh yeah.
So it's just a variety. Anything beef, we do it. Of course you can come in and get a good steak.
Oh man. Oh yeah. I've had them too. They're so good. Man, you guys are doing it right over there, and I'm so happy that you were able to get over here and show you guys on YouTube what's going on and see about this Wahesh. And if you guys are in Riverside, over in Jacksonville, Florida, Pinegrove Deli, and it's on Pinegrove, right?
And that's Pinegrove.
That's so cool.
PinegroveMarket.com. Yep.
Okay, and that location also used to be a grocery store, if I'm not mistaken, a long time ago.
So when my father took it over in 1968, it was a butcher shop and grocery store.
Oh,
so it evolved into the restaurant and deli, but we still kept some of our old roots of the butcher shop because that's what kept us in business there for many years.
Oh yeah.
So the butcher shop has always been a good part of business there.
Okay.
But we added a deli and that took off really well, and it's just
that keeps on cooking, man. You guys are knocking it out. Well, speaking of knocking it out, I am looking forward to you showing us how you guys cook this up over. I know you're not at home in your home base right now, and you're at another spot, but
it's a great spot, man. You got it all set up.
Well, thank you so much. so what's going on? Give us the old rundown on that.
So we got right now a little tent here of our broccoli that we're going to steam.
Okay.
In our tent, and then we're going to add this to the dish because once we get our steak and our chicken going.
Okay, very cool.
Get that seasoned up. Then we'll add the broccoli. We'll throw in the peppers. That way your vegetables don't come out soggy.
Oh, gotcha.
More al dente.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, very nice.
I gotta tell you, this is quite the treat for me tonight because normally I'm the one cooking, but we got Nader over here. We might have to get him over here more often so I can kind of relax a little bit. But anyway,
this is awesome.
Awesome. Well, take it away, Nader. Let's see what you got, brother.
Yes, sir. Put the steak on last because we like to cook that to medium.
Okay, very good.
No more than medium on the steak.
That's how I like it.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Some of our in-house seasoning on that.
Very cool. Man. I think yeah. Don't forget, it's on the secret menu. If you go to his shop, Wahesh. Just ask for the Wahesh. Trust me.
Add your steak like that here. Get the steak all spread out because we're getting close. For the finale, that's it.
The Nader sauce.
Nader sauce.
Nice. Look at that move. So cool.
Like it, so.
It's all good. That works. Magic's usually around for that start.
Yeah, it's all right. Oh, thank you. All right. Here's your grand finale. Go to sleep.
Nader, this is looking incredible, like I see every single day when I'm over at your spot. I'm gonna dive into this thing. You ready?
Absolutely, let's do it.
Man, it looks great. Come on. Let's get involved with some of this. I do every day.
Get you a little pepper, a little bit of that.
Yeah, I was gonna say, get the whole
thing in can.
Oh, dude. Every single time. I'm killing it, man. Thank you so much, Nader. This is incredible. That sauce you use, that Nader sauce, is so good. It's got such great flavor. The broccoli and the peppers just really set it off.
Just a little dash. That's all you need.
Oh man, and a seasoning too.
The seasoning and the lemon from the tabouleh.
Ooh, that's really hits it, man.
Yes,
perfect. Well, look, I'm gonna hook up these guys with some more of this food. If you want to keep cooking it up over here,
we'll get it.
We're gonna get them over here. I'll be when I'm talking with my mouth full. Sorry, guys. But
you're good.
Anyway. If you guys enjoy these jams, we'll be right back. We're gonna have other people come in and check this out. So we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, we're gonna bring some other players over here. They're gonna check out this Wahesh. Nader's throwing it down over here, so come on down, guys. We've got Jake over here. What's going on, Jake?
Hey, how you doing?
Dude, welcome to the show.
Mr. Nasher.
You excited?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man, well, I'm gonna also grab Arthur over here. What's up, Bubba? How are you? Good to see you. Good to see you. Hey, I like that shirt.
Nice. We're presenting.
And we also have Ryan over here. Come on down, sir.
Good to see you again,
What's
man.
up, brother?
Oh, yeah.
You guys ready to check out some Wahesh?
I've been ready.
All right, cool. Well, here, I'm gonna hand you guys some bowls. You guys let the camera know what you think. or the audience, I should say.
Yeah, this is the.
There you are. And I already had my bowl. It's delicious. I already destroyed it. You guys go ahead and get involved too.
It smells so good, bro.
Yeah, the smell alone is just.
There's some special Nader sauce in here.
Yeah, exactly.
Neil on the sauce.
Special Nader sauce right in there, for sure.
These are good.
Ain't it good?
Really good. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys. If you guys go to Pinegrove, it's not on the menu. It's on the secret menu, and just ask for the Wahesh.
It's not secret
Ask for
anymore.
the Wahesh. Well, at least on the show anyway. But yeah, guys, good stuff, huh?
This is really delicious. Wow.
But
Got a little tap to it.
it's got a little tang, so it's probably coming from his Nader sauce that he always comes up.
Yeah,
with.
what that is.
So, Nader, what is Nader sauce?
It's
Sort of in a nutshell.
well, it's basically a barbecue sauce and a hot sauce mixed with our in-house seasonings.
Oh man, you nailed it, dude. That is a great sauce. And you have another sauce too, don't you?
I do. I have
That's it.
another one called Bang Bang,
Okay.
and that's basically a mayonnaise and like a remoulade
Okay.
sauce. We mix it with our hot sauce and then add our in-house seasoning as well.
Yeah, usually Martine is jumping all over that sauce.
Yeah.
And he's like, he loves the Wahesh for that Bang Bang sauce.
Bang Bang is
Yeah, it's good stuff. Cool, guys. What is it? Okay,
I did some tabouleh, but I don't
yeah,
think that
so
is-
that's his in-house. So tabouleh, if you want to give an explanation on how you prepare that, how you cook it, or not cook it, but make it, Nader, go.
So this is very finely chopped parsley. It's basically a parsley salad with finely chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, green onions. Then we add lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, and a little seasoning salt. And that's basically it. Oh man, it's a nice Mediterranean salad.
It blends so well with that dish. I don't know what it is about it, but it goes very well. It marries well together. Cool. Guys, I can't wait to get involved with some of these jams tonight. Come on now. Oh, I didn't explode at the end. Come on, baby. I got exploded at the end. All right, one more explosion at the end. Come on. Bam! Right, you're going to do the explosion? All right, we may do that in the, I'm so happy. So we have Kyle Strickland over here. What's up, man? Welcome to the show.
Good food and some good meal.
Yeah, man. Oh, man, Nader is cooking it up tonight. It's so good. As you already know, Nader, you guys have known each other for how long?
Got what? 35 years.
Yeah,
I've
so
been eating at his store since I was like this.
Yes.
Same height as the counter.
oh yeah, that's so cool, man. You guys have a lot of history, and you know you're familiar with the Wahesh, I'm sure already. Well, guess what? You're going in for another bowl.
I wish everybody could smell how good this smells because it is absolutely delicious.
It is. I'm telling you guys, y'all need to get a bowl.
You guys are missing out if you do not go and try this restaurant out.
And it's at my time these all the time, so
Yeah,
I know it's great.
it is, and the smell.
Secret meat.
We need that smell-o-vision to kind of come into. I don't know. Somebody needs to come up with that. Hey, what about James Salzer? Do we want to get James Salzer involved over here? What's going on? We also have Ashley. Hey,
Got a lot of food, man.
yeah. What's up? How's it going? There you go. Coming in. There you are. Big bowl. Courtesy of Pinegrove Deli tonight. Let's put it to you.
Very interesting.
A lot of flavors going on.
No.
You like it, really? Isn't that good? It's such a good blend. I mean, the whole thing is just so good.
Complicated.
Complicated.
You can get that tabouleh in other sandwiches too.
Yeah, exactly. So it goes in other dishes as well. And you can also order it by itself, I believe, right?
Yep. You can order that on the side.
So cool.
It's so healthy too.
Yeah. A lot of high protein, lots of veggies.
Yeah.
So good.
Good for your heart.
It is. Oh, yeah.
It's wonderful.
Hey, we got a wonderful. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Go wonderful. This is good. We also have Jeff Taylor over here. He's going to come in and say what's up. When you got your Wahesh, go on in, brother.
This
Check
is
it out.
awesome.
Yeah.
My brother, his sister.
It is so good.
Again.
So healthy.
Yeah, this is actually helping me lose weight.
Yeah. Me too.
High protein, low carb.
Yeah, if I would just stop snacking at night, I'd lose some weight, but that's just me. You're looking good. Okay. Okay, guys, we are finishing up out here. This is incredible. Nader is nailing it with his Wahesh. We're going to catch you guys back here in just a little bit. You guys like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on. Let's get involved, people.
I just don't know. I think this is back to
Yeah. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Oh, my God. Nader killed it with our Wahesh. What'd you guys think about Wahesh tonight, guys? Thanks so much for being here tonight. I'm so good. Also, I'm hooking up some guests tonight with some merch from the merch company. Thank you very much, Derek Enter. So everybody's got some merch that are the guests here tonight. So everybody's looking good, feeling good, full bellies. Gems went well, guys. Like and subscribe. Let's get involved, guys. Come on. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! That's the truth.